By which rule are each of these triangles congruent? Okay, so let's check out this first one. And we're going to look and see what kind of markings we have. This is an angle marking, this one's an angle marking, and this is a side marking. So I know I have two angles and a side, and then I just need to ask myself, is that side between the two angles or is it outside of the two angles? And in this case, the side is not between the angles, so this would be angle, angle, side. All right, let's look at this one. I'm just looking at the top triangle here. I have an angle, and then I have an angle, and then I have a side. And again, I have to ask myself, is that the included side? Is that side in between the two angles? In this case, it is. So I need to make sure that that S is between the two A's. All right, over here, if I just look at the top triangle, I have a side marking and another side marking. That's not enough markings. We need to have another piece of information, so then we have to look for the hidden marking. And in this case, DB is congruent to DB. So that's what's hiding. We know that DB is congruent to DB, so that gives us another side marking. So this one is congruent based off side, side, side. All right, and if we look over here at our last example, I'm going to do this bottom triangle here. We have a side and another side. Again, that is not enough information. We need another piece of information, so we got to look for something that's hidden. And in this case, I have vertical angles. And vertical angles are always congruent, so I would mark those angles. And then I would just make sure that that angle is between my two sides. It's the included angle, so it would be side, angle, side.